How to download Downhill Racer on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to download Downhill Racer on your Android so that you can start playing it on your Android device or iOS, here's how you can do it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in Downhill Racer. Once you're inside the search result, look for this application from SuperCent Inc. and tap on Install to begin downloading the app on your device. Now wait for the application to download and install, which will take a few minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space for the app to download. Once the app is downloaded and installed, tap on play. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Downhill Racer on your Android device or your iOS device. Go ahead and follow through the on-screen instruction and play the tutorial, and you'll be able to complete the tutorial mode. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded the Downhill Racer game on your Android or iOS in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.